Good morning, dear students. Now today I am going to start activity 3, explaining about the factors. Use multiplication to find the factors of 15. By multiplication we find out the factors of 15. Now look here how we will find out the factors of 15 by multiplication. We write 1 multiplied by 15, that is equals to 15, because we know that 1 is the factor of every number. Now after 1 we see in table of 2 15 not comes, then 2 is not the factor of 15. Then we see the table of 3, yes, 3 is multiplied by 5, then 15 comes. So 3 is the factor of 15. After that 3 we see 4 is not come in the table of 15, then we see 5 3s are 15. So we write here this 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15, and 5 is the factor of 15. Then 6 is not come in the table of 15, then 7 also not come in the table of 15, 8 also not come in the table of 15. In this way we can see, and at last we see that 15 is multiplied by 1, then it comes 15. That the table of 15 is multiplied by 1, then 15 comes. So 15 is the factor of 15. Now we write factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. All these numbers are the factors of 15. Now we find out the factors of 20. How we will find out the factors of 20? First 1 is multiplied by 20, then we get 20. हमें ऐसे देखना है कि कोई भी नंबर जिसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा ये गिवन नंबर आ जाना चाहिए. Now we see the 2 is multiplied by 10, then 20 comes. Then 3 is not the factor of 20, because if 3 is multiplied by any number, then 20 not comes. Then we take the 4 is multiplied by 5, then 20 comes. Then after 4 we write 5 is multiplied by 4, then 20 comes. Then 6 we do not take it, 7 also we do not take it, 8, 9, 10. Then we can take 10. 10 is multiplied by 2, then 20 comes. After 10 we take 20. 20 is multiplied by 1, then 20 comes. And we write the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. Now the next is 32. We find out the factors of 32. How we will find out the factors of 32? Now first 1 is multiplied by 32, then 32 comes, then 2 is multiplied by 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 carry, that is 3. 16 2s are 32. Then after 2 we can take the 4. 8s are 32. After 4 5, 6 we cannot take it, 7 also not take it. Then 8. 8 4s are 32. Means we can take the number in this way, then we multiply both the numbers, then we get the given number. हमें जब हम दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमें गिवन नंबर जो दिया हुआ है वो मिल जाना चाहिए. हमें किस तरीके से लिखना है. देन 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 we do not take it. Then after 15 we can take 16. 16 2s are 32, and after 16 we can take 32 1s are 32. Now we write the factors of 32. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32. Now the next question, use division to find the factors of. By division we can find out the factors of 12. Now how we will find out? First, 12 is divided by 1, then we get 12. Then we can take, now the next we can take 12 is divided by 2, then the 6 come. 2 6 are 12. जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन से फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे तो उसमें देख रहे थे कि हम उस दो नंबर को ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे कि हमको ये गिवन नंबर मिले. तो इन दिस बाय डिवीजन वी कैन फाइंड लाइक दिस कि जो गिवन नंबर दिया है उसको हम उस नंबर से डिवाइड करें कि हमें वो नंबर मिल जाए. तो 12 को जब हमने 1 से किया तो हमें 12 मिला. Then we can take the given number, that is 12 is divided by the next number, that is 2, and we get 6. When we multiply these two number, then we get the 12. तो हम यहाँ पर मतलब गिवन नंबर दिया उसको उस नंबर से जिससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद जो हमारा क्वोशिएंट आ रहा है, और जब हम क्वोशिएंट और डिवाइजर को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, देन वी गेट दी गिवन नंबर. In this way we can say 2 is a factor of 12. The next is 12 divided by 3. We cannot take it because when we divide 12 by 3, then some remainder is left. Then the next is 4, and 12 is divided by 4, then 3 comes. And when we multiply these two numbers, then we get 12. Now the next is 12 is divided by 6, then 2 comes. And next is 12 is divided by 12, then 1 comes. So we write the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 4, 6 and 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12 by division method. Now the next we can take 36. By division we can find out the factors of 36. Then we write here 36 divided by 1, then we get 36. Then 36 is divided by 2, then we get 18. When we multiply these 2 multiplied by 18, then we get 36. Then 36 is divided by 3, then we get 12. Then 36 is divided by 4, then we get 9. Then 36 is divided by 6, then we get 6. Then 36 is divided by 9, then we get 4. After this, we can take in reverse order. That 9 we can take it, then 12. Then the next is that 36 is divided by 12. Then we take 3. Then we write here 3. 12 3s are 36. Then 36 is divided by 18. Then here is 2. Then 36 is divided by 36, then 1 comes. We write the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. The next is 54. Now we find out the factors of 54 by division method. Then we write here 54 is divided by 1, then we get 54. 54 is divided by 2, then comes 27. When we multiply 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5, then 54 comes. Then 54 is divided by 3, then it comes 18. When we multiply these two, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, then 54 comes. Then 54 is divided by 6, then 9 comes. 6 9s are 54. Then 54 is divided by 9, then 6 comes. Then 54 is divided by 18, then 3 comes, then 54 is divided by 27, then 2 comes, then 54 is divided by 54, then 1 comes. And we know that the factors are finite, limited, whereas the multiples are unlimited, infinite. We write here factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. And we also know that the facts of factors, that 1 is the smallest factor of the given number and the given number, or we can say the number itself, is the bigger factor of that number. Write true or false, give reasons. 4 is a factor of 48. This is true. Why we said this statement is true? We simply divide 48 by 4. Here we divided 48 by 4, then 4 1s are 4, 0, 8 here, and 4 2s are 8. Then 4 divides 48 exactly, leaving no remainder. So 4 is a factor of 48. Now 0 is a factor of 25. This is false. Division by 0 is not possible. And the property of factor is that 0 is not a factor of any number. That's why this statement is false. The next, every number is a factor of itself. Yes, we already studied the facts of factor, that every number is a factor of itself. This statement is true. Now 8 is a factor of 65. Again we check. We divide 65 by 8. Then 8 8s are 64. Then here some remainder is left. So 8 does not divide 65 exactly, leaving 1 as a remainder. So 8 is not a factor of 65. This statement is false. Next, 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, this is true. Again, the facts of factor, that 1 is a factor of every number.